Hi everyone, let us discuss multiplicative properties of complex number. In previous video, we have already seen 5 additive properties of complex number. So let us discuss multiplicative properties now. First of all, we will recall complex multiplication and then we will go further. So consider two complex number z1 and z2. z1 is x1 comma y1 and z2 is x2 comma y2 be any two complex numbers. Then their multiplication z1 into z2 is defined in this way. Let me put it here first. z1 means x1 comma y1 and z2 means x2 comma y2. See, multiplication is defined in this way. Product of first two, that means x1 x2 minus product of next two y1 y2 comma, the first component is over here. Let us go further. Now first into second x1 y2 plus second into first y1 x2. So that complex multiplication is defined in this way. Let us discuss its properties now. So first is commutative law. Let me mention here property number 6, commutative law. Okay, commutative law. See, I am calling it as property number 6 since first 5 additive properties we have already seen in previous video. So let us discuss this law. It says z1 into z2 is same as z2 into z1. It is true for any two complex number z1, z2. Okay, so let us discuss its proof also. So let me take z1 is equal to, okay, x1 y1 I am taking, and z2 is equal to x2 y2. These are two complex numbers we have. So let us find z1 into z2. Then z1 into z2, which is equal to x1 y1 into x2 y2. So here already we have stated its value. So z1 into z2 is equal to that one. So let me write it here, x1 x2 minus y1 y2 comma x1 y2 plus y1 x2. Already we have found out here, no? So simply I copied it here. So and let me find z2 into z1. Okay, so we have to put efforts to find it. So z2 is x2 y2, right? And z1 is x1 y1. Okay, let us take their product. So you know the rule. I will simply follow the rule and we will try to find its value. Our rule says first into first, that means we'll have x2 x1, okay, minus second into second y2 y1 comma, now first into second, that means x2 y1 plus second into first y2 x1. So you know that in case of real numbers, that multiplication is commutative. That means 2 into 3 is same as 3 into 2. So that's why x2 into x1 is same as x1 into x2 and y2 into y1 is same as y1 into y2. As well as same thing we can do in case of addition also. A plus b is same as b plus a for real numbers. So that's why what can we write here? So I'm writing it first. So x1 y2, right, plus x2 y1. Okay, or y1 x2, doesn't matter. So can you find any similarity between this z1 z2 and z2 z1? Yes, actually both of them are same, getting. So therefore what will be our conclusion? z1 into z2 is same as z2 into z1, and this is true for any two complex number z1 z2. So in this way we proved that complex multiplication is commutative. Okay, make a screenshot of it first, then we will go further. Let us discuss now associative law. For associative property, we require three elements. Okay, so I am considering Z1, Z2 and Z3. So this law says Z1 into Z2 into Z3 is same as Z1 into Z2 into Z3. And this is true for any three complex numbers Z1, Z2, Z3 in C. Okay, so any complex number if you take. So in case of, so for complex multiplication it is true. That means we can take product of Z1, Z2, Z3 first, or if you take the product of Z1, Z2 first, the product of Z1, Z2, Z3 will be same. Getting? So this property also you can prove. You can easily prove. Simply we have to follow the definition of complex multiplication and you can prove this one. So I am giving this as an exercise for you. Okay, so you have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So let us go further. So the next property, it is existence of multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Okay. So see, let me explain the property. See, it says there exists one complex number. Okay, 1. Okay, let me mention here. There exists 1. You know that 1 is a complex number with real part 1 and imaginary part 0. So we can write in this way, 1 comma 0 in C such that z1 into 1. Okay, so you know the or z1, or simply you can take z is xy, any complex number, into 1 is 1 comma 0. So you know that how to find the product of two complex numbers. First into first x we have, minus second into second 0, comma first into second 0, plus second into first y. That means we will have xy, which is nothing but z. That means z into 1 is equal to z. Similarly, you can prove that 1 into z is also equal to z, and this is true for all complex numbers. Okay, z. So therefore, 1 acts as multiplicative identity here. Okay, so let me mention here. Here, 1 belongs to C is a multiplicative identity. Okay, it's multiplicative identity. Okay, so yes, note down these two properties, then we will go further. So next property is existence of multiplicative inverse. Okay, so this property says for z1 belongs to C, if you have any complex number other than 0, I should mention here z1 is not equal to 0, there exists z is equal to 1 by z belongs to C such that z into z1 or z1 into z is equal to 1. 1 means multiplicative identity. That means if you have any non-zero complex number, definitely we can find its inverse with respect to multiplication. Getting? So therefore, multiplicative inverse exists for every non-zero complex number. So this is our 9th property. Make a screenshot of it, then we will go further. So last one is distributive law. So actually in this law, we use complex multiplication as well as addition also. For this law, we require 3 elements. So let us take z1, z2, z3. This law says z1 into z2 plus z3 is same as z1 into z2 plus z1 into z3. And this is true for any complex numbers z1, z2, z3. Okay, so you can try to prove this result as an exercise. Okay, so you can work on left hand side, you can work on right hand side, and finally you can easily prove that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is distributive law. So complex number, set of complex numbers with complex addition and complex multiplication satisfy all these 10 properties. So that's why we say it's a field. Okay, set of complex numbers is a field with respect to complex addition and complex multiplication. Make a screenshot of it, then we will stop. Thank you. Bye bye.